What is a Halki Diabetes Remedy? It is an online program, similar to an answer for sort 2 diabetes. The reason of the program is that poisons which are all over the place, coincidentally, incorporating into the air, your nourishment, your cooking utensils, are thought to cause type 2 diabetes. The arrangement is evidently super simple. Battle these poisons, and you can turn around and fix your body. You don't take any enchantment pills. You simply devour certain fixings and kill your diabetes. Summary of Halki Diabetes Remedy. It is a thorough and regular manual for turning around diabetes and the harm it's caused. It takes you through a 21-day plan that gets explicit fixings in your body that handles the underlying driver of diabetes, poison. This arrangement incorporates a wealth of significant data about sort 2 diabetes, the causes, the fixings that handle the causes, just as plans, and a dinner intend to pursue. You also receive some bonus program for absolutely free, which are Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Energy Multiplier, Achieve Your Goals. Pros of the Halki Diabetes Cure. The Halki Diabetes Remedy will furnish you with meals, recipes and activities to enable you to control your glucose. Specifically, the plate of mixed greens dressings that you eat on this program are made with fixings. For example, kohlrabi, broccoli sprouts and marjoram, that ensure and fix cells against oxidative harm brought about by PM2.5. The plans just take 60 seconds to make. What's more, the best part is that you gain admittance to this cure for just $37. Also, in the event that you don't find that this program is working for you, Eric guarantees that you'll recover your cash, as long as it's inside 60 days of procurement. For more information, thanks to visiting our website, destroydiabetes.com.